we're making smash burgers again, out on the griddle. So get some butter pats down and toast up those buns till they're nice and golden. Now get some burger balls down on there and top with some shaved onion and then smash. You want these really nice and thin so they got those lacy edges. Now season with some salt and pepper and then let those sear away. Caramelize those onions. Once caramelized, put the onions on top of the burger and then flip for this ridiculous crust. For cheese, we're using Kraft singles. It's the only way to go with burgers. Melt that down and prep your burger sauce. Get a dollop on the top and bottom, and then look at that melty goodness. Now we went in with some triple deckers here. Just look at those lacy edges. 3 patties and 3 cheese slices is the way to go. Then add some bread and butter pickles, and it's time to crown your king. It's juicy, it's cheesy, and a little bit of sweetness from those pickles and the burger sauce. Make these this summer. Today we're making stuffed burgers at home on the grill. So caramelize some onions over low heat till they look like that, and then grill up some jalapenos. If you don't like heat, you can sub in poblanos. Once grilled, remove the inside and take out all the seeds, and then dice up those jalapenos. Using 80-20 ground chuck, form the bottom of your burger with a little edge and then a top as well. Now fill that with your caramelized onions, your jalapenos, and we use some habanero cheese here. Then squeeze the edges together, make sure you get a good seal, kind of like shaping a pizza dough ball. Then get these onto the grill. We want to go with low heat here so these have a chance to cook all the way through. Close the lid down, flip it once, and now it's time to add our cheese. We're going in with Kraft singles, which is the only way to go for burgers. We top this with lettuce, red onion, tomato, caramelized onions, and some Heinz garlic aioli on the buns. Try this for National Burger Day on May 28th.
Everybody loves the burger sauce. The classic burger sauce is made with these 2 ingredients, ketchup and mayo. Recipe is 2 part mayo and 1 part ketchup. Add a little bit of sugar, salt, pepper, and then a vinegar. Burger sauce. And it really is that easy. You want to add a little bit more kick, Worcestershire. It's actually pretty amazing. Oh man.